Hello sir, my name is Mayur Bhagwat Patel and my roll number is 43. My topic for presentation is potential of blockchain in digital voting system. So this is the content in the presentation. First there is abstract, then introduction, then background, then third topic is how blockchain can transform the electronic voting system. So there is already an electronic voting system, so we will study that how blockchain can transform, what changes blockchain will bring with itself. Fourth topic is problems and solutions of developing online voting systems. And fifth topic is security requirements for voting system. There should be some security requirements available for voting system to prevent fraud. Sixth topic is electronic voting on blockchain. Seventh topic is current blockchain based electronic voting system. So some institutes or places applied blockchain based electronic voting system, so we will see the case study of that. Then eighth topic is future work, and then at last there is a conclusion. So we will look at abstract first. So online voting is a trend that is gaining momentum in modern society. It has great potential to decrease organizational cost and increase voter turnout. It eliminates the need to print ballot papers or open polling stations. Voters can vote from wherever there is an internet connection. Despite these benefits, online voting solutions are viewed with a great deal of caution because they introduce new threats. There are some threats involved in this, like a single vulnerability can lead to large-scale manipulations of votes. Electronic voting system must be legitimate, accurate, safe, and convenient when used for elections. Nonetheless, adoption may be limited by potential problems associated with electronic voting systems. So, blockchain technology came into the ground to overcome these issues and offers decentralized nodes for electronic voting and is used to produce beautiful replacement for traditional electronic voting solutions with distributed, non-repudiation and securely protection characteristics. The following article gives an overview of electronic voting systems based on blockchain technology. The study provides a conceptual description of the intended blockchain-based electronic voting application and an introduction to the fundamental structure and characteristics of the blockchain in connection to electronic voting. Then there is introduction. In introduction, electoral integrity is essential not just for democratic nations but also for state voters' just and liability. Political voting methods are crucial in this respect. From a government standpoint, electronic voting technologies can boost voter participation and confidence and gain their interest in the voting system. As an effective means of making democratic decisions, elections have long been a social concern. As the number of votes cast in real-life instances increases, citizens are becoming more aware of the significance of the electoral system. Then, on the other hand, the electronic voting protocols have a single controller that oversees the whole voting process. This technique leads to enormous selections due to the central authorities' dishonesty, which is difficult to rectify using existing methods. The decentralized network may be used as a modern electronic voting technique to circumvent the central authority. Then there is a background. The first things that come to mind about the blockchain are cryptocurrencies and smart contracts because of the well-known initiatives in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we all know Bitcoin and Ethereum because they got famous. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency solution that used a blockchain data structure. Today, we call a blockchain a set of technologies combining the blockchain data structure itself, distributed consensus algorithm, public key cryptography, and smart contracts. In Ethereum, a smart contract is a piece of code deployed to the network so that everyone has access to it. The result of executing this code is verified by a consensus mechanism and by every member of the network as a whole. So Here is the figure of the blockchain structure. So we can see there are hash transactions, then transaction there are n number of transactions noted using the structure. So we can look at this. Then there is a figure for core components of blockchain architecture. So there are some core components like node, consensus, miners, chain, then transaction. These all components participate to make a blockchain architecture. All are important in same way. So after that there is a topic of critical characteristics of blockchain architecture. So we need to study the critical characteristics of blockchain architecture, as blockchain architecture has many benefits for all sectors that incorporate blockchain. Here are a variety of embedded characteristics as described. Cryptography. Blockchain transactions are authenticated and accurate because of computations and cryptographic evidence between the parties involved. Then there is immutability. Then there is provenance. Then there is important one, which is decentralization. Here the entire distributed database may be accessible by all members of the blockchain network. A consensus algorithm allows control of the system as shown in the core process. Then there is anonymity, which is very important, as a blockchain network participant has generated an access address rather than a user identification. It maintains anonymity, especially in a blockchain public system. Then there is a transparency. It means being unable to manipulate the blockchain network. It does not happen, as it takes immense computational resources to erase the blockchain network. Then there is a topic of how blockchain can transform the electronic voting system. So blockchain technology fixed shortcomings in today's methods in elections, made the polling mechanism clear and accessible. It stopped illegal voting, strengthened the data protection, and checked the outcome of the polling. The implementation of the electronic voting system method in blockchain is very significant. However, electronic voting carries significant risks, such as if an electronic voting system is compromised, all cast votes can probably be manipulated and misused. Electronic voting does not yet been adopted on a national scale. Considering all its possible advantages, today there is a viable solution to overcome the risk in electronic voting, which is blockchain technology. So in this figure, one can see the main difference between both of the systems. In traditional voting system, we have a central authority to cast a vote. We can see in the diagram, traditional voting system, if someone wants to modify or change the record, they can do it quickly. No one knows how to verify the record. One does not have the central authority. The data are stored in multiple nodes. It is not the votes by tally other ones. And in the downside, we can see the blockchain voting system. Then next topic is problems and solutions of developing online voting system. So there are some problems and solutions on that available. So whether talking about traditional paper-based voting via digital voting machines, or an online voting system, several conditions need to be satisfied. First is eligibility. Only legitimate voters should be able to take a part in voting. So in India there is a age limit of 18 plus. So if someone from less age than 18 tries to vote, then it's illegal. Then unreusability. Each voter can vote only once. Privacy. No one except the voter can obtain information about the voter's choice. This is very important one. Then there is fourth one is fairness. No one can obtain intermediate voting results. Then there is soundness. Invalid ballots should be detected and not taken into account during tallying. Then there is completeness. All valid ballots should be tallied correctly. Below is a brief overview of the solutions for satisfying these properties in online voting system. First is eligibility. Then there is reusability, privacy, then fairness. then soundness and completeness. Here we see in previous slide that the solution to the issue of eligibility is rather apparent. To take part in online voting, voters need to identify themselves using a recognized identification system. Then there is second one is unreusability. At first glance, implementing unreusability may seem straightforward. When a voter casts their vote, all there needs to be done in a place a mark in the participation list and not allow them to vote a second time. Then third is privacy. Privacy in the context of online voting means that no one except the voter knows how a participant has voted. Achieving this property mainly relies on one of the following techniques, which is like blind signatures, homomorphic encryption, and mixed networks. Then there is fairness. Fairness in terms of no one is obtaining intermediate results is achieved straightforward. Voters encrypt their choices before sending, and those choices are decrypted at the end of the voting process. Okay, so after this, we can study the security requirements for voting system. So there are some requirements for security as people can breach the security system there. So suitable electronic voting system should meet the following electronic criteria. First is anonymity. Second is auditability and accuracy. So data must be accurate. Data should be accurate. Then third is democracy. In India there is a democracy, so voting happens according to that. Then there is vote privacy. Every person should have privacy of voting. Then there is robustness and integrity. Then there is lack of evidence. Then transparency and fairness. The process should be transparent as possible. Then 8th one is availability and mobility. 9th one is authenticity. 10th one is accessibility, and 11th one is recoverability and identification. So all these are important for security perspective. Then 6th topic is electronic voting on blockchain. So this section provides some background information on electronic voting methods. Electronic voting is a voting technique in which votes are recorded or counted using electronic equipment. Electronic voting is usually defined as voting that is supported by some electronic hardware and software. Such regularities should be competent in supporting implementing various functions, ranging from election setup through vote storage, kiosks at election office, laptops, and more recently mobile devices are all examples of system types. Voter registration, authentication, voting, and tallying must be incorporated in the electronic voting systems. One of the areas where blockchain may have a significant impact is electronic voting. The level of risk is so great that electronic voting alone is not a viable option. If an electronic voting system is hacked, the consequences will be far-reaching. Because a blockchain network is entire, centralized, open, and consensus driven. The design of a blockchain based network guarantees that fraud is not theoretically possible until adequately implemented. Here we can see the figure of blockchain voting system architectural overview. So we can see the steps like vote registration, vote authentication, and other things. Digital key management, SSH key management, and then at the last there is a voter list and view vote management. 7th topic of my presentation is current blockchain based electronic voting systems. The following businesses and organizations founded but mainly formed over the last 5 years are developing the voting sector. All share a strong vision for the blockchain network to put a transparency into practice. Table 1, which is on the next slide, shows the different online platforms, their consensus, and the technology used to develop the system. Currently available blockchain-based voting systems have scalability issues. These systems can only be used for a small scale. Still, their systems are not efficient for national level to handle millions of transactions because they use current blockchain frameworks such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hyperledger, Fabric, etc. So we can see the chart here. Online voting platforms, Follow My Vote, Votes, Polyas. These are the platforms for online voting. Then there are frameworks like in Follow My Vote there is a Bitcoin framework used, then Hyperledger Fabric framework is used. We can also see the languages which are used in the system. For Follow My Vote it's C++ and Python, then it's Go and JavaScript. Then there are some cryptographic algorithms like ECC in first one, AES and GCM in second one. Then there is a consensus protocol. Then there are main features which are online blockchain voting system. There are some features like audit, anonymity, verifiability by voter, integrity, accessibility, scalability, accuracy and affordability. So we will look into it one by one. First one is Follow My Vote. It is a company that has a secure online voting platform called centered on the blockchain, which polling box audit ability to see real-time democratic development. Votes. This company established a smartphone-based voting system on blockchain to vote remotely and anonymously and verify that the vote was counted correctly. Then there is Polyas. It was founded in Finland in 1996, so it is very old one. The company employs blockchain technology to provide the public and private sectors with an electronic voting system. Then their fourth one is Luxoft. The first customized blockchain electronic voting system used by a significant industry was developed by the global IT service provider Luxoft heading Inc. in partnership with the City of Zug and University of Applied Sciences of Switzerland. So we will look into future work, which is 8th topic of my presentation. Many issues with electronic voting can be solved using blockchain technology, which makes electronic voting more cost efficient, effective, pleasant and safe than any other network. Over time, research has highlighted specific problems such as need for further work on blockchain-based electronic voting and that blockchain-based electronic voting schemes have significant technical challenges. So first challenge is like scalability and processing overheads. This is the first challenge. For a small number of users, blockchain works well. However, when the network is utilized for large-scale elections, the number of users increases, resulting in a higher cost and the time consumption of consuming the transaction. Scalability problems are exacerbated by the growing number of nodes in the blockchain network. Second one is user identity. As a username, blockchain utilizes pseudonyms. This strategy does not provide complete privacy and secrecy. Because the transactions are public, the user's identity may be discovered by examining and analyzing them. The blockchain's functionality is not well suited to national elections. Then third one is transactional privacy. In blockchain technology, transactional anonymity and privacy are difficult to accomplish. However, transactional secrecy and anonymity are required in an election system due to presence of the transactions involved. Fourth one is energy efficiency. So blockchain incorporates energy-intensive processes such as protocols, consensus, peer-to-peer communication, and asymmetrical encryption. Appropriate energy-efficient consensus methods are a need for blockchain-based electronic voting. Then there is matureness. So this is the fifth one. It is a revolutionary technology that symbolizes a complete shift into a decentralized network. It has to be revolutionized business in terms of strategy, structure, processes and culture. Then at last we can see the conclusion. The goal of this research is to analyze and evaluate current research on blockchain-based electronic voting systems. The article discusses recent electronic voting research using blockchain technology. The blockchain concept and its uses are presented first, followed by existing electronic voting system. Then a set of deficiencies in existing electronic voting systems are identified and addressed. As a result, electronic voting systems should initially be implemented in limited pilot areas before being expanded. Many security flaws still exist in the internet and polling mechanisms. Electronic voting over a secure and dependable internet will need sustainable security improvements. Despite its appearance as an ideal solution, the blockchain system could not fully address the voting system's issues due to these flaws. This research revealed that blockchain systems raise difficulties that needed to be addressed, and there are many technical challenges. This is why it is crucial to understand the blockchain based technology is still in its infancy as an electronic voting option. Thank you, sir. This is the presentation of potential of blockchain in digital voting system. So this is my presentation from Mayur Bhagwat Patil, roll number 43. Thank you, sir.